Good morning, everyone. Let's start the day. That's what you think. She thinks I'm freshening her hair. The truth is, I don't know what the truth is. So, tell me about your day. How's it been going?
I just woke up.
Oh. First day on set. It must be something to talk about. Yeah, I did a good job. It's in pretty good shape. Thank goodness I did my job. After she got out the pool, it was chlorine in it. It would dry it out. So I had to wash it real quick, put in some leave-in conditioner real quick, then I put it in a braid real quick.
I don't want to get wet.
I asked you to get a towel. What happened?
It's on the bed.
I don't want to get wet, Dad. So yeah, put it in the braid last night. You know, it's a few small little things like that I can address. But the good thing is she's going to set, so I don't have to do everything. The difference between being on set for a TV show or film is typically they know how to address this. Commercials, different story. Meanwhile, I know y'all judging my hair. See, I ain't get to my hair yet. I want to do my own hair. Well, good luck. I want to do my own hair, Dad. You don't ever let me do my own hair, Dad.
Yeah, why don't you guys, huh?
You actually did pretty good. She put one bun in the other day, and it came out really nice.
Better than what you do.
Whoa there, pony. That's not true. Not even close to being true. What's up? What's up? What's happening?
I really want to drink the $6 water.
Oh yeah, we got some water in here. $6, man. They trying to tax us. They don't know it's free water in the sink. Nah, we don't drink that. We drink the water in the toilet. This in this section right here. You're making it real moisturizing bit.
I want that curl in front.
I want this curl in the front. Look at this little curl. She wants it in the front all the time. She thinks she's grown. But we all know that she watches Disney Junior.
No, I don't.
I saw you.
Why'd you even put it on to set
Roll
me up?
the tape.
You set me up. You know I like watching TV, so whatever's on, I watch.
Oh, that's your excuse.
No, that's not my excuse. It's the truth. It's a fact. It's not an opinion.
That, a little bit of hair for the road, you know? I can give you a haircut like mine, believe me. All right, guys, that's it on this show of refreshing Jaidyn's hair. Bing, 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 bing. Let's go. Let's hit it. Hello. All right, let's hit it. Heading to set. Let's get it. Hey, Sheena, I see you, girl. All right, where we going? Oh, what's up? All right, cool. This is Jaidyn's big sis. You know what I'm saying? She really out here.
We out here in these streets.
These Vancouveran streets. Ooh, she getting no makeup. Wait till your mama see this.
Smells nice.
So it's gonna be a pretty cool day. Everyone's awesome. done with hair and makeup. Look at your hair. You look just like you're supposed to. This is crazy. Dang. Ooh, it looks like you're getting closer to the House of Enlightenment. About to start rolling. Alright, she got her sushi. Where are we?
We are at
Oh, you looking around? You looking around?
Moana.
No, it's okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Moana?
I think it's Minami or Manami. I don't know.
No,
I don't know.
I
But
know.
I have my sushi.
No.
I have my prawn. I have my salmon. And this is our
Forever call
friend
this Moana.
Moana. This is Raven.
Hello.
She plays Jaidyn's big sis. It's tight. She got her sushi.
Champagne roll.
Champagne roll. Look at her. Champagne taste. Look at her.
I got the thing that's closest to a California roll, so.
I think you might need a fork instead of this. I don't want you to drop it. We'll ask you for
Well, there's no forks.
I asked for a fork in the spoon. I mean, a fork in the straw. So we are here for dinner. We hear the sushi in Vancouver is really good. So we'll see. What'd you say?
Best sushi I've ever had.
Wow. It's a major statement. You eat a lot of sushi in LA.
Okay, we have to try one of these.
I'll grab it.
Go for it. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna try the one that you told me to try.
Here, I'll give you one of hers too. I'm struggling. What do we have here?
Almost burned my hand. I went like this. And I tried to grab it like
Yeah, see, it's a trap. Get away from it. This looks crazy. Are you gonna box the top?
How do you...
So you're gonna do something like, but don't hit it too hard to break the glass. In the middle.
Like there?
Yep. Close. There you go.
Okay.
Push it in. Oh, you're so gentle. Oh, you're so delicate. Oh, she wants to eat it.
That's pretty good.
She's so delicate. You should let me do it. I would have broke the glass. Alright, so Jaidyn wakes up in the middle of the night talking about some, oh, my tooth is coming out. What are you talking about? What do you mean? What's going on here? What is happening? Is it warm water? Let me
Okay.
see. You ain't got no teeth no more. I don't remember my teeth falling off this much. You ain't gonna be able to eat nothing but mashed potatoes and ice cream. How's it feel?
It's throbbing.
Yeah.
Because I had to pull it out hard. It was on a thread, but it was still hard on the thread, and I had to really tug on it.
Mm-hmm.
It was only on the second try.
Did the bleeding stop? That's what the salt does. Without the salt, it should.
Yeah, stop bleeding.
Okay.
I still want to do it just in case.
Dang, this is crazy. What we got over here? I think we only got sugar, sweeteners, and creams. But meanwhile,
My sword is tilted up, and I hit with the flat of my blade.
yo, Mythbusters used to be my joint. I don't know the name of his new show, but it looks dope.
It has some of the star in it. So I got a star because I got a cavity once, and it has some of it in it. Actually, My other one fell out like a week ago.
Oh, so this is one that had a cavity.
2, yeah. And then this one also had a cavity.
Well, at least all your cavities are out.
Not all of them. Some of them went to the next tooth behind it.
Well, hopefully you won't get any more in your adult teeth that come in.
Right.
Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment, hit the red subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when we post our next video.